So here's another easy tip on how you can use Chat GPT to improve your videos so you get more views. I tried this today. Type this into Chat GPT 30-second script, and I put in the topic because I just wanted to do a short that led into a longer training video. And so I put in the script, and it even comes into here it says intro, 5 seconds, narrator, scene, gives even some other, like here, camera shows a small business owner, like that could be B-roll that you find. And so I thought that was really, really cool. This is not exactly, this is way more detailed than what I wanted, but it was a good starting point. Now I thought it was a little bit, because it was a business language, it actually sounded a little bit too businessy, too serious. Some of it I liked, some of it I didn't, was a little too serious. So I just typed in rewrite with more casual language. And then it sounded much more conversational the second time around, although some of it was way too, too casual. Like there was a part here. If your business ain't making dough yet, it's like building a sandcastle. If your business ain't, I would never speak like that. But so what I ended up doing is I took both of them and I combined elements of one and elements of the other and made one script that I ended up using, and then added a couple of extra things, points that I wanted to make. But you can use ChatGPT to write a baseline script for your shorts or for your long form videos if you wanted, So try it and let me know what you think. And if you like this tip, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more on how to grow your brand visibility, and hit the bell so you never miss any of my content. For more help growing your visibility and monetizing your brand, go to alexanderfigueredo.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you.